Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this video, we shall solve the exercise 2.3 problems, okay? So, yeah, I have given exercise 2.2, the first part yesterday. So, you might be expecting the second part today, but then I received a mail from my students saying that so they have their exams and they want the video by today afternoon. So, I thought let me do this first, okay? So don't worry, exercise 2.2, I'll release it tomorrow. Okay. So firstly, I want to release exercise 2.3 on request of my students. Okay. So yeah, this was a small information. Yeah. So let us solve this exercise now first. So you here in this exercise, you will have variables on two sides of the equation. Okay. Both in LHS and RHS. Okay. So let us see how can we solve that. Okay. So firstly, you have this 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. Okay, when you have something like this, what you will do is you will take all the variables to LHS and all the constants to RHS. Okay, so this is what we are going to do in the entire exercise. Okay, and as I said, 2.2 exercise will continue tomorrow. Okay, so don't worry, right? So 7x and 2x you have. So these are two x terms. So let me take this 2x to LHS. So 7x, taking this 2x to LHS, it becomes minus 2x. Okay, and taking this minus 5 to RHS, it becomes plus 5. Are you getting it? So 7x minus 2x. So you have, yeah, 7x. So you are subtracting 2x. So you are left out with 5x. Okay, so 7x minus 2x is 5x is equal to 5. Now what is the value of x? X is nothing but 5. Here, this is nothing but 5 multiplied by x. Okay, so sending this 5 to other side becomes division. Okay, so x is 1. Clear? Yeah. So let us move on to the next question now. Second question you have 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. So here also we will take all the variables to LHS and all the constants to RHS. Okay, so take this 2x to LHS, it becomes 5x. This is plus 2x. Going into LHS, it becomes minus 2x is equal to, you have minus 6 already here. So write it. Okay, this minus 12, I'll take it to RHS. So it becomes plus 12. Okay, we know minus quantity going into RHS becomes plus. Okay, so 5x minus 2x is 3x. Okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. And you have minus 6 plus 12. Okay, so you'll get 6. Okay, so now again 3x is nothing but 3 multiplied by x. So I want the value of x. So this 3, it goes to other side, so it becomes division. Okay, so this is multiplied here, going into other side becomes division. So this is 3 ones are 3 twos are, so x is 2. Clear? Yeah, so let us move on to the next question. So it is 7p minus 3 is equal to 3p plus 8. Okay, so let us take all the variable terms to one side. So here the variable is p. Okay, so here you have 7p, here you have 3p. So let me take this 3p to LHS. So you'll have 7p. This is plus 3p. Going into other side becomes minus 3p is equal to, you have 8 here, write 8. Okay, here you have minus 3. Going into other side becomes plus 3. Right? So this is 7 minus 3 is 4p is equal to 8 plus 3 is 11. So p is 11 divided by 4 because this 4 is in multiplication, going into other side becomes division. Right? So it is 11 by 4. Now fourth one, 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. Clear? So here the variable is what? It is m. Okay. So let me take this 7m to LHS. So you have 8m minus 7m is equal to, so you have 8 here, write 8. So this is plus 9. Coming to RHS, it becomes minus 9. Right? So 8m minus 7m, 8 minus 7, you will have 1m. Okay, is equal to 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9, it is nothing but minus 1. Okay, so you'll subtract and you'll write the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number has minus sign, isn't it? Bigger number is 9 here. 9 has a minus sign. So the answer is m is minus 1. Right? So let us write the fifth one. So you have 7z plus 13 is equal to 2z plus 4. Okay, let me take this z term to other side. So you have 7z minus 2z. This is plus 2z. Going into other side is minus 2z is equal to, you have 4 here, write 4. This plus 13 coming to other side becomes minus 13. Clear? So 7z minus 2z is 5z is equal to 13 minus 4 is how much? It is 9. Okay, it is 9, but it is minus 9. Why? Because the bigger number has which sign? Minus sign. Okay, so I want the value of z. So this is 5 multiplied by z. If this 5 goes to other side, becomes division. Okay, so z is minus 9 by 5. Clear? Yeah, so let us move on to the next question. So you have 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. Okay, so let me take here. You can see you are having 15 is a bigger number, 9 is smaller. So let me take this 9 to other side. Okay, so 5 I will keep it on this side itself, and this minus 1 let me bring it here, so it becomes plus 1 is equal to, you have 15y here, write it here. This 9y I am taking it to this side, so it becomes minus 9y. Okay, so plus 9y becomes minus 9y. Clear? So 15 minus 9y is nothing but 6y. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6. Now I want the value of y. How will I get it? The 6 is in multiplication here. Going it to other side becomes division. Okay, you have already 6 here. 6 divided by 6. So y is 1. Okay, 6 divided by 6 is nothing but 6 ones are 6 ones are y is 1. Clear? So let us move on to the next one now. So you have 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 multiplied by x minus 2. Okay, so firstly here you can see you have something in brackets. So this 5 is multiplied to x, this 5 is also multiplied to 2. We know distributive property, isn't it? So let us multiply that. So this is 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 is multiplied to x, so it becomes 5x. You have a minus, right? Minus 5 is multiplied to 2, so 5 2s are 10. Clear? Now again the same thing. Here you can see 5x is bigger. So let me send this 3x to the other side. So I have 4 here. Let me write 4 here. This minus 10 I'll bring to this side. So it becomes plus 10 is equal to 5x. This 3x is in positive, isn't it? So sending it to other side becomes negative. Clear? So this is 14 is equal to 5x minus 3x is 2x. Okay, I want the value of x. So x is how much? It will be 14 divided by 2. Why? Because 2 is in multiplication here, going to other side becomes division. So 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So what is the value of x? X I got it as 7. Right? So let us move on to the next question. Here you have 3 multiplied by t minus 3 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2t minus 1. Okay, so here also distributive property. Firstly let us multiply these two and these two. Okay, so 3 multiplied by t is 3t minus, you have minus, so 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2t. Okay, so 5 2s are 10 and you have t. Okay, you have minus, write it. Now 5 1s are 5. Okay, so here 10t is bigger than 3t. So let me send this 3t to the other side. So I have minus 9 here on LHS. Let me send this minus 5 to RHS. So it becomes plus 5. Okay, minus becomes plus. So I have 10t here. Let me send this 3t to other side, becomes minus 3t. Okay, so 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7t. Okay, so 9, 5, one negative integer, one positive integer. So what will you do? You will subtract. Okay, so 9 minus 5 is 4. Now what is the bigger number? Bigger number is 9. So which sign does this 9 have? 9 has a negative sign. Okay, so the answer will have negative sign. Okay, so minus 4 is equal to 70, but I want the value of t. How will I get t value? So simply send 7 to other side. Here it is in multiplication, going into other side becomes division. Okay, so t is minus 4 by 7. Clear? Yeah, next problem. So you have 5 multiplied by p minus 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by p minus 2. Okay, here also we will distribute, okay, in this way. Okay, so 5 multiplied by p is 5p. Okay, now you have minus, right? Minus 5 3 is a 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by p is 3p. 3, you have minus, right? Minus 3 2 is a 6, right? So here 5p is bigger number, so let us send this 3p this side. So 5p, so this 3p is positive, coming to other side becomes negative is equal to, you have minus 6 here, write it. Okay, this minus 15, send it to other side, becomes plus 15. Clear? So 5p minus 3p is 2p is equal to 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 gives me 9. Okay, so I want the value of P. P is nothing but 9 divided by 2 because this 2 is in multiplication. Going it to other side becomes division. Clear? Very simple, right? So next one, 5 multiplied by Z plus 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2Z plus 1. Okay, so when you have brackets like this, firstly you will multiply in this way. Okay, so 5 multiplied by Z is 5Z plus you have in between, write it, 5 3 is a 15 is equal to 4 2 is a 8. You have Z. Write the plus sign here, 4 1 is a 4. Okay, now again it is same. See, 8Z is bigger, so I'll send this 5Z to other side. Okay, I have 15 here, write it here. So this plus 4, bring it to other side, becomes minus 4 is equal to, I have 8Z here. Now this 5Z coming to other side becomes minus 5Z. Clear? So 15 minus 4 is 11 is equal to 8Z minus 5Z is 3Z. Okay, so 8 minus 5 is 3, right? So I want the value of Z. Z I will get it as 11 divided by 3. Isn't it? This 3 is in multiplication, going into our side becomes division, right? So yeah, next question. 15 multiplied by x minus 1 plus 4 multiplied by x plus 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 plus x. Okay, so this is what we have. Clear? So firstly you will multiply 15 to x and to 1. Again, you will solve this bracket also, you will solve this bracket also. Okay, so let us write it here. So 15 multiplied by x is nothing but 15x. Okay, 15 multiplied by x is 15x. You have minus, write minus. 15 ones are 15. Okay, then you have plus, write plus. Then 4 multiplied by x is 4x. Then you have plus here, write it again. So 4 3s are 12 is equal to, now 2 7s are 14. You have plus 2x are x. Clear? So now you see, firstly let us solve this side. So if this is x terms are 2. Okay, let me bring it to one side. 15x plus 4x. Okay, this minus 15 I'll write it here now. And you have plus 12 is equal to 14 plus 2x. Okay, now 15 plus 4 is how much? 19x. Okay, minus 15 plus 12. Minus 15 plus 12, one negative integer, one positive. So what will you do? You will subtract. Okay, so 15 minus 12 is 3. Now you'll subtract and you'll write the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 15. It has a negative sign, so answer also will have a negative sign. Clear? Is equal to 14 plus 2x. Right, now this is like the previous problem. Yes, so what we will do again, we will send this 2x to this side. So you have 19x. This is plus 2x. Coming into this side becomes minus 2x is equal to, you have 14 here, write it here. So this minus 3 going into our side becomes plus 3. Okay, so 19 minus 2 is 17x is equal to 14 plus 3 is 17. So what is x? X you will get by dividing 17 by 17. Okay, this 17 is in multiplication. Going into other side becomes division. Okay, so 17 ones are 17 ones are. So x value you got it as 1. Clear? Yeah, let us move on to the next question now. So 12th question. So you have 3 multiplied by 5z minus 7. Okay, plus 2 multiplied by 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 multiplied by 8z minus 7 minus 111. Okay, so this is the question. So firstly, as I told you, you will multiply these two. Okay, and again these two, wherever you have brackets, you have to do this. Clear? So let us do it now. So this is nothing but 3 multiplied by 5z. 3 5s are 15z. Okay, you have minus, write it. 3 7s are 21. Okay, you have plus, write it. So 2 9s are 18z. Okay, now this is plus into minus gives you minus. See here, plus into minus gives you minus, and 2 into 11 is 22 is equal to, now 4 8s are 32z. Okay, 4, now this is minus, you have write minus, 4 7s are 28 minus 111. Okay, this minus 111 you are bringing it down. Clear? Now you have 15z here, 18z. Let us bring it to one side. 15z plus 18z. Okay, and this is minus 21 minus 22 is equal to 32z. Now these two, if I two negative integers you have. So if you add them, what will you get? So solving, you will get it as minus 139. Okay, when you have two negative integers, you will add them and you will write a minus sign. Okay, so it is 139. Okay, so 15 plus 18z is nothing but 33z. Okay, so 33z, and this is how much? So minus 21 minus 22, two negative integers. So you will add and you will write a minus sign. So this is 43 is equal to, here you have 32z, okay, minus 139. Okay, so now let me take all the z terms to one side. So 33z minus 32z, this is plus 32z, going into other side becomes minus 32z is equal to minus 139 you have here. Yes, so bring this 43 minus 43 to other side becomes plus 43. Clear? So this is 33z minus 32. 33 minus 32 is 1z is equal to 139. You have a negative integer, positive integer. So you will subtract. Okay. So subtracting, you will get 96. Okay. And now the sign of this answer will be the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number has negative sign. So answer also will have negative sign. Okay. So z is minus 96. Yes. Let us move on to the next question. So you have 8 multiplied by x minus 3 minus 6 minus 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by x plus 2 minus 5 multiplied by 5 minus x. Okay, so this is what we have. Now firstly you will multiply these brackets. Okay, so here are the brackets. Okay, here you don't have any bracket. Okay, yeah. So what will you get? Let us see. So 8 multiplied by x is 8x. You have minus 8 3 is a 24. Okay, minus 6, opening this bracket, it is minus 6. Minus into minus is plus 21 is equal to, this is 2x plus 2 2s are 4. Okay, this is minus 5 5s are 25. Okay, minus into minus is plus, 5 into x is 5x. Okay, now simple, again you have to just solve. Okay, now just see. So this is 6 minus 2x, isn't it? So this is 6 minus 2x. So it becomes minus 6 minus plus 2x. It's okay. So minus 6 minus into minus plus 2x. Right? Yeah. So now let us bring all the variables to one side. Okay. You have 8x. Let me take this 2x here. Okay. You have minus 24 minus 6 is equal to, this is 2x. Let me bring 5x this side. So it is 5x. Okay. Plus 4 minus 25. Nothing but all the terms are on the same side itself. Just thing is I am bringing 8x and 2x together and these two together. Okay. So that I can add now. Okay, and these two together. Okay, so I'm not sending it from left hand side to right hand side. I'm just arranging the terms on the same side. Okay, now you see 8 plus 2 is 10x minus 24 minus 6, two negative integers, so you'll add and you'll write a minus sign. So 24 plus 6 is 30. It is minus 30 is equal to, now 2 plus 5 is 7x. Okay, and you have a positive and a negative integer. Okay, so you'll subtract and you'll write a minus sign. So 25 minus 4 is 21 and you'll write a minus sign. Okay, the sign of the bigger number is minus, so I'm writing minus sign. Right, now again this is simple. Yes, so let me send this 7x to this side, so it becomes 10x minus 7x is equal to, you have minus 21 here, send this minus 30 to other side, becomes plus 30. Okay, so 10x minus 7x is 3x is equal to, now 30 minus 21 is 9. Okay, so x is equal to 9 divided by 3, so x you'll get it as 3. Clear? Yeah, next one. 14th question. 3 multiplied by n minus 4 plus 2 multiplied by 4n. Okay, let me write it clearly. 14th question. 3 multiplied by n minus 4 plus 2 multiplied by 4n minus 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by n plus 2 plus 16. Okay, so just see. So 3 multiplied by n. So you'll multiply these two. You'll multiply here. You'll multiply here. Okay, so this is 3 multiplied by n is 3n. You have minus 3 fours are 12. plus, now 2 4s are 8n, you have plus into minus is minus, 2 5s are 10 is equal to, this is 5n plus 5 2s are 10 plus 16. Okay, so now just see, let us bring these two together and these two together. Okay, so it is 3n plus 8n minus 12 minus 10 is equal to 5n, 10 plus 16 is 26. Okay, so it is 11n, 3 plus 8 is 11n, two negative integers, so simply you can add, so it is 22 is equal to 5n plus 26. Okay, now let me bring all the variables to one side. So you have 11n, this 5n bringing it to this side becomes minus 5n is equal to 26. This minus 22 taking it to other side becomes plus 22. Okay, so this is 6n is equal to, so this is 48. Right, so what is n? N is 48 divided by 6, because the 6 is in multiplication, so sending it to other side becomes division. Okay, so this is 6 ones are 6 eights are, so n is 8. Okay, simply you'll get the answer of n as 8. Okay, I hope all these problems are clear to you now, and I hope you will rock in your exams. Okay, so all the best for your exams, and I'll do exercise 2.2. The video will be released tomorrow. Okay, so for now, if you have liked the explanation, then just like this video right now and share this channel to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.